Here I have OPPO RX17 Pro, and let me show you how to activate the portable hotspot on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then find and pick other wireless connections, and here you should go to personal hotspot. And then just tap on enable your personal hotspot, give your device a few seconds, and that's it. Your hotspot has been activated. If you would like to personalize it, so if you would like to, for example, change the name or the passcode, just go to personal hotspot settings, where you can change the name of your network. So just delete the current one and enter a new one. And then you can also tap on the password, and here you can update it as well. Once it's done, just tap on save. And that's it. Your hotspot with new name and new passcode is on. If you'd like to deactivate the personal hotspot, just tap on this icon, the same as at the beginning. Okay, so that's it. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.